Hello and welcome to my video. This is the demonstration version and we're going to do automation. We're going to use Python to automate a file moving process. For this demonstration, I've chosen my downloads folder. As you can see, it contains many files. There's PDF files, there's Word files, there's pictures, and there's even programs. And I created folders here where I want to take each of these files to a folder that best describes them. So I want to take all the books into a books folder. I want to take all the documents into a documents folder and say PDFs or movies or images. I want to sort all this out, but I don't want to do it manually. I want to do it in an automated way. And this program is going to help me do that. This is a very simple program that uses only one package called OS, operating system. And it uses two simple programming concepts, a for loop and an if statement. There's nothing fancy about this program, but it does the job, and it does it every time I click run. Before I click run, I just want to go over some lines of this code. First, like this will import the operating system package that we're going to use. And this line is the directory. This is where I have these files that I showed you earlier. And these are the folders I want to move the files to. And here is where the sorting happens. So first, there's a for loop that goes over each of these files. And again, this uses operating system. So that's why we needed to import the package. And then it goes into an if statement. So it asks if the file ends with the PDF extension, then this line will move it to that directory that I've chosen. And it just does the same thing with other file extensions, so it's not that complicated. Also, I want to know, like, if the file doesn't move, if I didn't include any of these extensions, I want it to print other file format, and then I want that file name. I want to see it. This was helpful to me while building this program. So this is what my folder looks like before running the program. So let's run the program and then come back here. There. So as you can see, like the files that didn't move, they printed other file format, and then, oh yeah, the folder is another file format. And it printed the name of the file. So in case like I want to create another folder to add all my Py files, or any other format that shows up here. And like, now you can see what it looks like. It looks very empty. There's not many files left. There's folders, and there's the other files that we didn't specify a folder for, like this GIF file. But we can see, like, we click on books, the books are here. We click on docs, the docs are here. We click on, what's the other one? Images. Yes, the images moved here. And if we click on movies again, like, yeah, the movies moved here. And I think the most files we had was the PDF, and as you can see, like all the PDFs moved here. So this program was a success. Lastly, I have two additional notes before we end this video. The first one is we can do other automations using an operating system or just Python, and we can like change the file names, and we can do other things. Like the sky is the limit when it comes to automating things with Python. The second note I want to mention is this is just going to be for demonstration. I will make a longer video which I will go over more educational concepts. So the for loops, the if statements, and the import, and just basic things like that. Lastly, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.